Go to iTools application on your computer and select Ringmaker option. Make sure that you have the song you want to set as a ringtone on your music library. Select your appropriate song that you want to keep as your ringtone and import it from your PC. Here is where you will trim your start and stop time for the ringtone. You may need to listen to the song a few times to take note of exactly when to start and when to stop your clip. After finalizing your tone, click Save and Import to Device option to import your favorite number as your iPhone ringtone. Finally, in your phone settings, you can select your song to create it as your favorite ringtone. For more updates and for more entertainment, stay tuned and subscribe our channel.